viewers of Labi Luba B. Today we explore a book that does not merely describe Pakistan, it explains its soul. Written by Jav Jabbar. Pakistan. Unique origins. Unique destiny. It reminds us that Pakistan is not just a state, but an idea, a dream still unfolding. Historical background. Jav Jabbar writes, Pakistan was not an accident. It was a conscious decision, a moral and intellectual response by the Muslims of the subcontinent to preserve their cultural identity, a unique experiment the world had never seen before. Jav Jabbar's vision. To him, the creation of Pakistan was more an ethical awakening than a political event. Faith, culture, and creativity together shaped a new identity. This was Pakistan's unique origin, spiritual, intellectual, and historical. Meaning of unique. When Jav Jabbar says unique, he speaks of moral and mental individuality, not just geography. Pakistan is unique because faith here is not limited to worship. It forms the moral foundation of the state itself. Meaning of destiny. When he speaks of destiny, he does not mean fate written in stone. He speaks of the power to create. Pakistan's destiny is not pre-written. He says, we are writing it ourselves. Every honest, learned, and truthful Pakistani is shaping the nation's destiny today. The living Pakistan. That is the beauty of Pakistan, a nation, learning from its past, struggling in its present, and believing in its future. Its existence is not confined to land, but to the hearts of its people. Conclusion. In truth, Jav Jabbar reminds us that Pakistan's true strength lies not in its struggles, but in its unique creation. A country tested again and again, yet never broken, born of an idea, not of power. Pakistan is not a finished story. It is a journey still being written, a dream reborn with every generation.